This is a rodeo camper where the bull riders used to bunk in this as they traveled the circuit. Yeah, we're touring it right now. Hey guys, if you are a returning viewer, thank you. And if you are a new viewer, we want you to hit that red subscribe button right over there. And you're gonna get some fun, entertaining, and RV videos on a regular basis. And today on tap, we have this beautiful retro rodeo camper. So let's get on with it. Okay guys, here we go. I have
Missy and Donnie.
And Donnie. Okay, we're at Ho Chi Town, as you guys know, and I have run across an amazing rig as usual. And we have I guess you call it a
Cowboy camper.
Cowboy.
It's actually a rodeo camper.
A rodeo camper. Yeah. And that's called because
of the guys following the rodeos around, bull riders.
The bull riders.
Yeah.
Oh my God! I wonder how many they bunked in here at a time.
Depending on the night, who knows?
Yeah, I guess it's just a place to go from point A to point B, man. Right. Okay, I love that. So here we go. The rodeo. Oh, rodeo camper.
Rodeo
is that
camper,
what you're going to? Tell me about the little bit of the overlapping. What is this?
It's a diamond, and then it's hemmed. I guess it's hemmed to keep the water out.
Completely sealed.
Yeah, and tell me, y'all say it sweats. Tell me about that. I want to hear that.
So cold.
What happened this morning?
We froze to death, and it was sweating all over the outside of the whole thing. That's how cold it gets.
It got shiny like it was wax. I'm not kidding. It changed colors. It was bright red.
And did y'all put the air conditioner on it?
No, it was there.
Dude,
that's all original.
Dude, will it freeze you out of there, dude, with that air conditioner, man?
And it takes a lot, especially as hot as it is, but I'm telling you, it's cold.
Oh, that is great. And I understand that the windows here that you have, these came with it.
Yeah.
So those are original windows.
They open.
Okay, so I am loving this. Tell me about that sticker on there. So this is the original, right?
It's the original Cowboy camper.
And I guess that Capri made them, and that's their logo.
Yeah.
On their 817 area code. Anybody knows that? Please mention below in the comments where that is. So when you got it, I understand you got it from your brother.
Yeah.
Tell me about that.
It was on a trailer when I got it. Bolted to a trailer.
Yes.
I didn't like it like that, so I threw it on the truck. Just to come down here. It's a good camper.
And so you just took it off, and did y'all have to do any restoration on it to get it rolling?
Nothing, man. It was all it's all original, completely original.
We just had to bolt it up to the truck itself, but yeah.
I added a TV and DVD and stuff.
Refrigerator.
A little refrigerator.
You have to, man.
It didn't have nothing in it.
Right.
It just comes with an air conditioner.
Right.
Yeah. So we put the full size bed and everything.
Everything in there. You have to have something to. I'm sure y'all get along well enough.
Yeah.
To have you need a TV, brother.
Right.
You got to, man. So I'm loving this. And is that? I don't think that's an original light on there.
I don't think so.
But
I think they've all been changed.
Do you have any idea what year? Any idea at all?
I think it's a 68, 69.
Yeah, I would
68,
guess,
69.
I'd guess late 60s, yeah.
Okay, so I understand you guys are telling me it was well taken care of, and they have like bed liner sprayed here in the side. Up here, you were telling me, ma'am, that this is the original 1968 aerodynamics.
That's right.
That's a gas saver, man, up there, and I love, man, it just makes it right here.
It does.
Yeah, did it have the original socket over here on the outside too?
Yeah, that's all.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
Yeah, you can tell by the way it was put together. Everything is still exactly the way it was.
Oh my gosh, and this is probably the original door on it. And notice how wide the door is. It like takes up half the space on the back. And I see y'all elected here to put a generator on it.
Yeah, and it works great. Doesn't use much gas.
You got food in the refrigerator.
Absolutely
and stuff.
right.
You gotta keep it cold while you're going down the road.
And like when you drive up here and can't get a site with electricity, like we almost didn't.
Yes.
But yeah, we found one with electricity. Then you just plug in and you go.
Oh, that's amazing, man. And it keeps the air conditioner going.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
everything.
man, that's made for the total inside, man. And they pull motorcycles here. So they've got a hitch here on the back of this, they pull. All right, so everybody wants to know. Let's go inside and we'll check this thing out. Okay, so here we are inside this fascinating, awesome camper. So what's happening in here, guys?
Well, we got our full-size bed.
Got
plenty of storage above.
I see.
Peacemaker. Peacemaker inside the cabinet there.
Got to, man.
All-
got to.
Got our all original curtains here made out of beautiful beach towels.
Tell me about those beach towel curtains. Who cut them off like that?
It's one curtain.
Well,
Oh,
yeah,
it's one.
one towel made 2 curtains.
Ah,
yes.
gotcha.
And of course, you know, you can change them anytime.
I love that.
Sliding windows.
And this is your pantry?
This is our pantry.
I see.
All of our goodies.
You got all your pantry going
With
there.
storage, which of course you have to lock down for bumpy roads.
Sure.
And then we've got our fridge,
Uh-huh.
stocked full of goodies.
Ooh, it's cold. Feels good.
Mm-hmm.
I see.
Too bad the
Awesome.
air's not on.
Is that a 12-volt fridge, or does that have to run
No.
off AC?
110.
Yeah. And then you got
Got
your...
our TV mounted on the wall, Blu-ray player.
Oh, nice.
Smart TV in case we.
Yes, it is
Oh,
a smart TV.
It's satellite.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's smart.
Somebody-
If you have internet, yeah.
I love that. And then you got
And
storage
underneath,
under the bed.
Lots of storage all the way back.
God, look how huge that storage is under there.
Lots of it.
Oh my gosh. And I see it's just 2x4s on a frame.
Mhm.
That's great. And then they got here where their TV refrigerator goes, they have all their storages in here. Man, it's huge.
And a nice seating area for guests.
Yeah. But they sleep outside.
Exactly. That's when you bring the tent.
And then they've got a seating area here, I see, and a place to put their shoes. Those
Yeah.
pesky shoes. Every time. And more
Yeah,
beautiful
shoes.
curtains here.
Yes,
I
more
love
beautiful
these.
curtains. It is
Those are
wonderful.
great,
Yeah.
man. I love that. It looks like they have a 12-volt light up there, which is great. And he's got his rod holder there, or maybe hers. Who knows?
Hers.
That's mine.
Ah, I got you, man.
She fishes and I ride.
Ah,
We both do a little bit of both
Yeah.
of them, but
this ceiling is surprisingly tall in here. I mean, look at that, man. I mean, dude.
Yeah, because I mean, I'm 5'8".
I mean,
so-
dude, that is great.
Yeah.
It's enough to crawl in there, and there's the air conditioner freeze you out of here.
Yes, it
It
will.
So what'd you think when you got this from your brother? What'd your brother say?
oh man, he got in trouble like crazy whenever he pulled up with it at his house.
Yes, Mom was so
they
mad.
they
Oh,
they
she
were
didn't
having
want it.
problems.
She didn't want it in the driveway.
and she laughed her butt off whenever I got it.
And then
Yeah.
what'd you
And
say?
she was mad because I didn't even
I was
tell
only
her
mad
about
because he
it.
didn't ask me. I love camping. And,
Ah.
I mean, this is cool and fun to me,
Yeah,
too. So,
and pretty
yeah.
much it came like this, right? So you didn't do
Yeah.
much to it. You just
Well,
No, I did the inside.
oh, there was no
all of it.
inside.
Yeah, the
Nothing
bed,
to it.
everything.
Ah,
It took him a good 3 weeks to get it rolling, you know, when we left yesterday.
oh
But
wow!
it's absolutely perfect.
You built it in 3 weeks? That's amazing.
Probably a little quicker than that.
Yeah, about 2.5.
Oh my gosh! I
Yeah.
just love this, man. And we appreciate y'all so much, man.
Well, thank
No
you.
problem.
And y'all must get along for this. Have a little place like this, right?
All right.
They love each other.
Yeah, we're kind of in love. Yeah,
I love that. Hey, man,
Yeah.
I appreciate. Thanks for your time.
No
Thank you
problem.
I
so
so
much.
appreciate you. So guys, awesome. And if you are a new viewer, hit that red subscribe button right over there for some awesome, fun, exciting RV videos on a regular basis. And if you are a regular watcher, thank you. Hit us up on Instagram and we'll check you on the next one.